workshop com training program namun tak ginang rep by days pangu plant protection variety maka hak jong ginang rep national jingi po IPST
Cleaning ski ka ba saad bakaman bangis kam bagani ski kan no ski ka ba ninyo jimtoy berkhad ki ba yadon na hangni.
He had through his authority released an amount of 13.5 lakhs for upgradation of some infrastructure in this KVK, but most of that is tools and modern equipments like power weeders and power reapers. Thank you. Dr. Patnaik has in-depth knowledge about the subject that we are having this program about today, and he is familiar with our farming society and with the agriculture scenario in the state. His presence will really add true value to the theme, nations and institutions. I especially thank you for your support and cooperation in this program. Even with very short notice, you have extended a helping hand and you have come forward to participate and partner with us in this program.
PPBA FRA existed, and one of the first meeting on this, on the farmers' right and breeders' right, was held at Umiam under the chairmanship of late Professor M.S. Swaminathan.
Why KVK is a lighthouse? Because KVK in India till now 731 KVKs till today. With a vast network of KVK, the Indian researchers, agriculture researchers, whatever technology they have developed, now it has come to the farmers. That's why today India is boastfully saying that we are self-sufficient in food grain production. From if you compare from 1950-51, by today we have almost 6 times food grain production has been increased in spite of our cultivable area has been decreased and our population has been increased by 5-fold increase in population.
Publications entitled Kandiat Kijiktuk Shapang ka Hok Unong Rep Hapo ka Ahan Protection of Plant Varieties and Farmers' Right Act Araja 2001. It is Puat nga subhaban khod ya I BK Solia I Badeiru I Executive Advisor Kumjuru I Chairman jong in charge jong ka Meghalaya Farmers Empowerment Commission.
Kuno benseng laga jong kam. Daga bopdon kam ya ke iwa kamariang sodong kalai. Kalaban dei habun ikam lada kedai haga kam bale processing ban penmi jingbam lani ban le ban penyai ke business ban lum iki marep ban chalan iki kibun jat ikam ki balawan mi. Ndai tang ke baong ba ngin sna jing sna ndai kidon ki kweru ban san penyang oh ban le kini kisentiu le se ki kisentiu ki bon kini kisentiu khlau ki ba pun rukhang ki manchna ki kinja jing ai sngom ha ki yatho ane ha ki kam yatho ane ki lap ki ba ai present ki brio ki bon chat ki kam bala ban le noi ngana ong ya I Dr. Manti ong ban kaleng ka commission kadon na ong ro na I Dr. Manti kalong ba shaben poi se kata ngi don kam ban hikai mangila ngala ju hikai kini khna ki one training apo kani ka mamiti bodon ha try sit ba ki khna samla ki ba kwa un seng la ka jong ka ban ngi ju ai training borobor ki ban ngi ba apo bi sedang kebun kecing irap kebun kecing kersan Nenda kalapoi kapor bagi hap penhe lana penki ya chu sakhman. Kibon gizing e kibodan. Kam tam bo pisang la kajong ka kamle. Kibon gizing e. But hang tu kabokong san kalong mangidon kam man dan kinong hikai. Kibatip bagi bai kibala banyalam nanti. Panata kadao nakalin ka commission ong ba ya ka KVK ngikloi ban long kenjat training ban hikai shwa ya ki scientist jong ka KVK kum no ban hikai ki brio ban le business Amar kam dei tang kam ye di thiet. Kadon ka jing khen. Kadon kam ka jing sung thu ru kumno man penon kam ya ka pisa. Kadon kam ka jing sung thu ru kumno ba utu uma jong phi kanu ka yo. Kumno wan poisa ka tu ka yo. Ki kan don kebadan kam. Lesi menta phi shna jing ka umso la ne shna jing shna kanu ka jing lesi pi ukrai. Ki kan don ba ka an ka don kam ya phi wa pin la ban de shi ki yo ki ba kham he. Kawai ka yo kalong ka ka lam de ka yo hasnong. Kawai ka yo ka lam de ki nong ba ki ba kham he. Ri ka dong ki yo ba ki ba he shu shu. Ki ba da phi la man kot chi tu ki yo ka mon ka de ka jing yo nong ka ba kha.
IBSD stall, mostly orchids and medicinal plant.
Have both local and hybrid. Cymbidiums only. These are all cymbidiums, and some these are local and these are hybrid. These are also local. These are pseudogynous. We are promoting local also and for identification. We brought only the ones which are in the flowering stage. Otherwise, there are many in the orchidarium, but their flowering stage is over. So this time, kini give a flower. These are also dendrobium, but we have different colors. White, Milky, Sonia variety. Yes. Yes, from tissue culture you can do. And the ones that pamilya Amanthai am cepat boy, ni promote ikin itu dendrobium Sonia variety, where the bang kita nak spokes. In each spoke there are.
This is elephant yam.
Mungkin kamu sih benda batai nomor bah labun tan. Sering teng video lah biang temas anam. Dera. Keren, mana baku abang keren? Explain. Where ne? Diding jeri. Bata kita. Pi ni kena pi sukai na klau. Dia mar klau. Mar klau hoi. Ngabang bang tu. Ngabang bang ni. Pi warak sibun. Kang itu hi. Display mo. Right. Wah, menirang bon mentam dan syuk. Hadilut.
Jadi rumah.
Oh, ni lah si madharu. Lihat siapa itu?
Ile.
Ni tu sendai berbahaya tahu tu lo. Ngap.